Okay guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch, and you know exactly where I am. I'm at our wood pile. Now, we're very fortunate. We have lots of wood here. We have a big bush lot, 100 acres, and we have wood that people give us too. People call us up and say, come and get this wood that I just... Anyway, we have lots of wood. Our wood shed is full. You've seen our wood shed from previous videos, and that takes care of us for this winter, which is 22-23. This pile of wood here will do us for 23-24, and over there we already have our wood for 24-25 drying out. It'll be more than right. The point is that we have lots of wood. We're going to be warm this winter. I knew you guys were concerned. We're going to be okay this winter. Anyway, interesting enough, I got a call or an email, or somehow I got a contact from a chap a short while ago, and he says, Alec, I've been watching your videos. And I said, oh, that's great, thank you very much. I hope you've picked up some ideas. He said, oh yeah, that's pretty neat. But he says, I have a product that I developed and that I make and that I sell that you might be interested in. I'm always interested in new ideas that I can share with you guys and so on. And I said, what is it? And he says, it's the perfect stick. I said, no. I said, what is it? He says, it's the perfect stick. I said, I heard that. I said, what is it? It's called the perfect stick. This device that he made, it is called, its name is the perfect stick. Yeah, I guess he has copyrighted that and calls it the perfect stick. But anyway, so I said, okay, what does it do? He says, well, I'll tell you what. I'll send it to you. And with the instructions, some ideas on it, why don't you make a video? Sure, what the heck. So he sent me a perfect stick. Never had a perfect stick before. It arrived. Here it is. Just that simple. I look at it and I said, wow, this is pretty weird. It actually comes apart. It's got a stick. I don't know if it's perfect or not. A really strong magnet, and it's got this pad on the end. Now, if you look really closely there, Kevin, can you see that? The perfect stick. Oh, there it is. I've never seen a perfect stick before, and there it is right there, the perfect stick. So you put that in there, and as you explain in the instructions, this can help a great deal. When we cut our logs in the bush, they're 8 feet long. We want them 16 inches long. Now, we cut them 8 feet long because if you have an 8-foot long stick, you get exactly 6 16-inch sticks. One of the issues that we often have is cutting them 16 inches long. We'd like them to be consistently 16 inches. It fits perfectly into our woodshed, which is built for 16-inch logs. Pardon me. It fits perfectly into our wood stove, which is made for 16. It's just perfect. 16 inches, no more, and preferably no less. So, where's the perfect stick come in? Well, this is 16 inches. From there to there is 16 inches. So rather than going along a log like this and marking it every 16 inches so we can cut it every 16 inches, let me show you how slick this is. Watch this. I get rid of that hat, put on this hat, like that. I'm going to put this down here like this. Like so. Okay, I'll put the perfect stick onto the chainsaw. Can you still hear me, Kevin? Yes. Okay, he's good. Perfect stick onto the chainsaw. Safety on, that's down, that's up. Just like that. Now all I have to do is take the perfect stick off, set her down there. I'll start the saw again and cut my load. Did that take 2 minutes? I don't think so. There you go. So it is in fact the perfect stick in that respect anyway. It sure is going to speed up our cutting. No more measuring, no more sticks to lay it out, no more paint. Some people mark it with a paint. Look at that, 16-inch logs. Now, the chap also sent me this. Because maybe you don't want 16-inch, maybe you want 12-inch, or 14, or 18, or 20. So here is another perfect stick. Can you have 2 perfect sticks? Oh, you can, okay. And this one, you have 2 choices. You can actually cut this rod and put the cap wherever you want it. Or, see that, Kevin? You can lock it. So you can have a 12-inch, 14-inch, 16, 18, or 20. Any way you want it. So there you go. Now I don't remember the price. The price is not important. There's something you can use or it isn't. If it's something that you think you can use that will help you in your log cutting and firewood making, then the price really isn't too terribly important. But just look it up, the perfect stick. See if you can find it. Maybe it'll help you a little bit. I think it's great. I love that. Psh, done. Logs cut. That's it. The perfect stick. From Alec and Peirce at the Ranch. Okay, guys, more ideas coming. Talk to you soon.